Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Nest Cam with Home app notifications, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Google Nest Cam with Home app notifications, start by ensuring your Nest Cam is connected to power and Wi-Fi. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't already, sign in with your Google account. Next, locate the Nest Cam device in the app's home screen. Tap on your Nest Cam icon to access its settings. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Notifications. Select this option to adjust your notification preferences. You will see options for activity alerts, motion detection, and person alerts. Enable the notifications you wish to receive by toggling them on. Make sure to allow notifications for the Google Home app in your device settings. To do this, go to your phone settings and find the Apps section. Locate the Google Home app and tap on it. Select Notifications and ensure they are turned on. Return to the Home app and navigate back to your Nest Cam. Verify that the notification preferences you set are correctly displayed. Exit the settings and test the notifications by triggering your Nest Cam. You should receive alerts based on your selected preferences. Congratulations, you've successfully activated Google Nest Cam notifications in the Home app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.